Hey everyone, this is Pedro Blush. I'm here at the EMS Electronic Music School Berlin to bring you one more production tip. Today we're going to talk about the Valhalla Supermassive. In my opinion, is one of the best delay/reverb plugins out there. And the good news is that you can download it for free on Valhalla's website. So let's test the plugin in some different sounds here. The first one will be a bass. So this is the dry signal, okay, without effect. And let's turn this Supermassive on. You can see that you start to feel the whole bar with the delay, and this adds a lot of movement to the sound. Let's see how it sounds with the kick. Let's test in a different sound, a more plugged synth in a higher octave. So this is the dry signal without the Supermassive. And now let's turn it on with this test chamber preset. You can change the delay time, the warping, amount of feedback, modulation. It can get super crazy. Now let's listen to this with the other elements. By combining these two different delays at the same time, you have a lot of movement in your track, and things starts to feel a bit less too perfect in the grid. You know, you have these delays that overlap with each other, and this brings a very nice movement to the whole thing. Now, the last sound that we're going to test the Supermassive today is a clap sound. So this is the dry signal. Now let's see how it sounds with drums. And of course, you can keep automating all of these parameters. And, you know, just with 4 elements, we already have a story going on. So I hope you have fun exploring these different dimensions from the Valhalla Supermassive, and I'll see you next time.